Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this WD-40, and this is the 1 gallon size. You can get it in a 1-pack or a 4-pack, and it stops squeaks, removes and protects parts. I use it a lot for rust, and one of the things I like about the 1 gallon is you can unscrew this cap, pour it in a bowl, and instead of the spray, you can actually soak parts in the WD-40, which is really helpful. As it says here, it penetrates to loosen the rusted parts, of course, lubricates. Most people are pretty familiar with WD-40. Just in case you're not, on the back are more things that it'll do. And kind of a funny story, this was actually invented by a guy named Ivor Lawson. And the reason it's called WD-40 is because it was the 40th try that it took him to finally get the formula right. So just kind of a funny backstory. But overall, I find WD-40 to be extremely useful in loosening parts, lubricating parts, and with a 1 gallon, you can also put it in a reusable spray container.